wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah. It's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Claps.
said hi, Cookie. Cookie, you getting too close. It's getting real romantic. I'm not your GD Valentine's. I'm your mammy. I am your mammy. I am your mammy. Your mammy. Your mammy. Stay over there and mind your GD business, Cookie. What y'all doing? What y'all doing? Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, Scorpion Miss, y'all. We need prayer warriors up for our girl. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining us. Please make sure y'all say some prayers for Scorpion Ms. Okay? I'm not going to say the situation or nothing like that, but just make sure that you keep her in your prayers. And I did see something about Miss Mary. So Miss Mary, if you in here, you going through something too, please say y'all prayers for our good sisters here. Well, Miss Mary is my auntie, okay? But period, okay? On a serious note, y'all, okay? Yeah, I won't say too much, but just make sure y'all say the prayers for the young ladies. They are very much so needed. And again, we are here for you. You need anything, you got to DM, okay? Even if you got a DM, brownie or somebody to get to me, you got it, okay? So anything. So thank you. Thank y'all for the love and the prayers in the chat. Yes. I love it. What y'all been doing? Let me speak to y'all in this chat. Hey, Carol Merrill. Let me go up in here. Hey, Miss Lisa Bell. Hey, Miss Bridget J914. Hey, sweet asses. Hey, Laverne. Hey, Miss Maria. Hey, Astute. Hey, Miss Andre. Hey, Miss Denise. Hey, Sassy and Sweet. Look at you, talk about some go live. I'm like, let me go on and go live, child, because I've been, y'all know I be cooking, okay? It's this shit almost done, okay? Time is almost up. Y'all seen the post, the community post? Yes. Like you can add all the people you want. Add who you want to add to the damn bucket list, okay? It's all harassment by proxy, okay? People forget that I'm a protected person, okay? And when they do certain things, those things can be considered harassment by proxy. Y'all know what that type of stuff is, like bad faith filings and shit like that. Y'all know those type of legal terms. Y'all might remember some of them terms from the case with Onnnnn, the disgraced attorney, the one that's now suspended thanks to us. Yeah, that batch. Yeah, she's recruited people. Y'all know it's a gang on YouTube, a family, La Familia. They've been trying to tell y'all. They just got the names mixed up. Hi, Miss Mary Jackson. Hi, Lucky Charm. Hey, Scorpion Miz again. Hey, Carl McGraw. Hey, Miss QT Pop. Hey, Miss Charlie. Hey, Miss Virgo. Hey, Miss Ann Green. How your New Year been going since your birthday, child? Hey, the stubborn Taurus, child. Is Taurus is stubborn? Maybe the women might be. I don't think the men too stubborn. Y'all know that's my favorite sign for men is a Taurus. When Tay talk, love her a Taurus. Oh, yes. Let me quit going down memory lane, child. I digress. Hey, Miss here for the shits. Hey, Miss Playtime. Hey, lies and more lies. Hey, Miss Junior. Missy Junior. Not Missy Junior, child. Who else up in here? Y'all are here speaking to each other. Look at y'all so courageous. Hey, Miss Gloria Lacey. Not Cookie running down here. Hey, Miss Political Junkie. Child, I know you be in some mess. Say hi again. She wanted to say Miss Hi to Miss Gloria Lacey. Anybody else you want to speak to? The whole goddamn chat. Oh, excuse me, that you ain't got to get smart. Child, can't be trusted. You can't be trusted. Hey, love, Key. Hey, Miss Jean. Jazzy J. How you doing? Oh, yes, we got up in this wall. Let me get, I'm almost to the ball. Hey, Bama girl. Hey, follow me, Black. How your new year going? Hey, Miss Michelle. Hey, speak with your growl. Marcella, you talk to PBE. Child. Who else up in here? Here you go, Elma Block. And is. Hey, Mimi. Hey, Shorty K. Marcella, go keep. Hey, Miss Mays. Go keep on some shit. Hey, Miss Evelyn Beasley. All right, we at the end. What's going on? What's going on, y'all? I ain't gonna keep y'all long. I just wanted to pop on here so we can talk a little shit. Let's a little pinch of shit. Okay, just a little pinch. Let me see if it's a pinch or not, because I was sent some information that I wanted to share with y'all. But you know what? I got a little small court update for y'all. It ain't much, but it's an update. So we'll go through it really quick just to show y'all this here. Did anybody order the R. Kelly girl book? The what's her name? Shauna? Who's watching Shorty? Mine came last week. I still haven't started reading. I wanted to do chapter by chapter, and I'll do like quick little snippets of it that I'll probably put on TikTok and then just put it over here after I post it on TikTok. Okay, because YouTube be funny, or TikTok is funny about when I post stuff on YouTube first and then post it on TikTok. But YouTube don't be tripping about if I did it. I started to do the audio. I can't do audio. I have to have the book in my hand and I gotta read it. I can't do the audio. Even like when I do like Chat GPT, I don't like when I play it so the person can just speak what's going on. I still have to go and read it. Since I got this side part, this hair is gonna keep laying on this last y'all. I don't want to pull it off on the live, but I will just try. Y'all, so some of y'all doing the book, y'all got the book, y'all see what's when I want to see what's going on with the Sparkle situation, because in the excerpt that she played in that video, it looked like she kind of like was throwing Sparkle under the bus. So I want to know how authentic this going to be, because you threw her under the bus in that book, it looked like, and you praised, like she dedicated it to her dad or whatever, and she dedicated it to her dad and her son, which I understand her son but her dad passed away, so I don't know if that was the reason for the dedication, but I would have think you would have some with these parents. It's I don't know. Cause hey, D Brown, it's kind of given that them parents might have sold her to R. Kelly. Hey, Mahogany. Hold on. Hey, Miss Juanita believes. I believe. Let me look at these documents, y'all. Cause it looks like they have been put on notice with Maurice. This is about the Maurice and Black Titanic case. Yes, political junkie. I think the parents had some involvement in that stuff, like, because she say a part where he was telling her, like, we got to tell your parents about this because it was about to hit the news. Somebody had sent it to the news or whatever they said. But I remember in the Surviving R. Kelly where one of the young ladies said that I guess that he was keeping too, but she was a little older. That he had she found the video. And I think she found a video with her and that girl. So I wonder if she's going to talk about that in the video because, yeah, I kind of remember her when she talked about that video. I mean, in the Survivor R. Kelly, that one of the girls said that she had been involved with that girl and R. Kelly at the same time. And she didn't know that that girl was underage. And I guess like I think she said like he like threatened her or something like that. That he like threatened her because he was like, she underage. So if you say something about it, you're going to be in trouble too. And I think she said she had stole the videos or something like that. And because she didn't know that he was recording her. And she found more than, just her. And I guess that's how it got to, hey, Miss Victoria, I miss y'all too. Hey, and Alex. Because, like some people are saying they think this is like a money grab, but with I don't want to believe that. That's why I got to get into the book and see what the book talking about, what she talking about in this book, so I can see a little bit where her head really at. Because I told y'all I didn't like the part about how she kind of like threw Sparkle under the bus, and like she said that Sparkle was the one that told her to go and sit on his lap and rub his head and ask him to be her godfather. So, but Sparkle gave a statement at the end and was like, at the end of that interview, they got a statement from Sparkle, and she was like, she didn't participate in no grooming or any of that shit with no damn minors with R. Kelly and her damn niece. So she, hey, welcome to Brit's blog. What Shannon says, period. Hey, Shauna. Is that Shauna? Tell you got to do a live on Beyond the Case. It's getting good. D Brown. It is so freaking good. Beyond the Gates has been so freaking good. Oh, it's been good. Okay, we gonna have to talk about it. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Bailey coming over here, y'all. I ain't seen her little pencil head stuff in about 2 weeks. Yeah, then her mama didn't answer FaceTime today. So I said, yeah, I'm phone in my name. So I'll answer the phone, or if phone about to get turned off, I'm about to blow it up. I'm at work, mama. Oh, excuse me. I didn't know you was a working mother. Where's Bailey is the question. I don't give a damn where you at. The FaceTime was strictly for Bailey. I think she's trying to keep Bailey from me, y'all. Y'all let me know. Put a 1 in the comment section in the chat as well if y'all think that she's trying to keep Bailey from me. Hey, Miss Stephanie. I don't think I believe that part about Sparkle. And Alice, I don't either. It's hard for me to believe because it's hard for me to believe that she would have had anything to do with any of that and how vocal she has been about this situation. She was the one I think they said even called CPS or something too. And that she was the one that went to court and said that was her niece. While the niece was in her 20s at this time, saying that it wasn't her. Hey, Tanya. We got to fight over Bailey. She did that too. She took my wigs too. She's a thief. I got another video coming with both of my granddaughters. Mm-hmm. Both of them. Bailey a bad influence on my oldest grandchild. Hey, Prosperity. Hey, prophetess. Prophetess. Yeah. So I don't know. I think that I like I said, I didn't like that part either. And I just find that hard to believe that she would have had some involvement in that, with her being the one that's been so vocal about that. I don't think she would have been that vocal about it, but you never know how weird people are. They'll do to keep the heat off of them or to act like they ain't do the shit. They'll be, you know how people be, the reason a person be missing, and they be out in the head of the search party, knowing they know exactly what a body or the remains are. Mm-hmm. That part. So I don't know, but I don't believe it. I really don't believe it. Like I said, that's why I got to get into this book, because I want to see where her mind is, because I do find it strange that now that he's locked up with assistance from her this time, that she came out and with a book, and you know they claiming like he ain't really got no money like that. So did y'all keep quiet the time while he was, you know, out, because you were still benefiting from him financially? Because I'm quite sure at some point she aged out, but still, especially when New York had changed that law to where them people can come from 85 years ago and bring them charges back up. Hey, nice to see me. Hey, Andrew. So, yeah, I am curious as to motives now, because the money could have been dried up. So now she could be like, you know, this is now is the opportunity for her to make some money off of this now, because but it still don't make what he did right. But and I guess, you know, she didn't have to have a motive to come out now. She could come out now because this is the time for her. This is the time that she feel comfortable, you know, telling her story. So that could be a thing as well. So I don't want to judge her too quickly, but I want to see what this book is talking about. Again, it still does not alleviate what he done to her. He probably still got some type of hold on her to this day. So I don't know. We're going to get into that book. Hey, KBR, how you doing? Yeah, so we're going to have to see. We'll have to get into it and really see what's tea with this. But okay, let me share my screen with this first. I don't even know how I got on this already. Let me go back. So the judge still haven't ruled on Anonymous's motions. Okay. I don't know if he waiting around. Hey, Paulette, waiting around or what's going on with that. But y'all know that, you know, old Karen Humphreys, the ghost, you know, she was reported to the bar. So, and you know, the judge already told Black Titanic to get the fuck away from Onnn. If she filed one more thing on Onnn, they're gonna be filing a damn restraining order. So here we go now. So y'all know that Maurice had added 3 other contenders to the case. So this was submitted last Thursday. Like I said, it's nothing big. It's just here. A notice of appearance comes now. Vincent J. Bowden of the law firm Gordon Reeves Scully and Manskowski LLP hereby enters his appearance as counsel of record on behalf of the defendant identified as Instant Checkmate LLC and respectfully request that all future correspondence, pleadings, notices, and orders in the above captioned case be sent to him at the following address. And it gives their address and certificate of service. So this is the same one for all of those places that Maurice was suing. Instant Checkmate, Intellis, it's the same law firm, so they must be under the same entity. So Vincent will be the attorney for Intellis as well, and the other one, what was it, True Finder. So I don't know if they're, hey, Miss Regina and GCC here. I don't know if what do you call it? If this means that they may try to negotiate something with Maurice, but they're gonna put up their fight. They're coming in because you know, in my opinion, you know, they're trying to do these lawsuits so that they can add these, you know, mega companies, these bigger entities in there so they can try to get, you know, settlements. Because usually big companies, they don't want to go to the court shit. They'll throw you some thousands and get the fuck out their face because that's what they'll pay to their attorney. But they put the attorney on notice. Hopefully once the attorney read through this shit, they might do like how Google and TikTok was like, no, bitch, we'll see you in court. And like Onnn said, we'll see you in fucking court because this is ridiculous. Because I don't understand why Maurice added them on here on this particular lawsuit. Because for one, Anonymous never said in this lawsuit that she got his information from there. She just put it in her last document. Let me see. Where she put this background stuff in here. And even in here, she says that that he is known to go by Maurice Rasheen Scott. Now, when the fuck has Maurice ever said that his middle name was Rasheen? Even when he released the video about when he released the video about them taking the videos down, he said that his name was Maurice Jefferson Scott. Now, I don't know if in the original videos, if they said this Maurice Rasheen Scott person name, but he said his middle name was Jefferson. And from legal documents, his middle name is Jefferson. I never, like, why would his alias be Rasheen? And why would he pick an alias that has this criminal background? And you see how too here she mentioned that he filed the lawsuit. Let me go back. Relevant facts and procedural history. On December 22nd, 2023, plaintiff Maurice J. Scott, here, senior, she put his middle initial there, not Rasheen, not an R, filed his initial complaint against 3 defendants. 1, Sarita McNeil, aka Anonymous, YouTube content creator Black Titanic, and 3, YouTube content creator Here for the Hot Tea. He actually was suing 4 people, because here in her complaint, or in her title or header, here she has the plaintiff Maurice versus all the people that he was suing. And it wasn't just the Here for the Hot Tea. That wasn't one creator. She was suing her, Here for Hot Tea, and her boyfriend or significant other that she acknowledged up here, but said one content creator when she know that it's 2 people that was on that account. But I digress. Let's get to her exhibit so y'all can see that she put this background here. Of the complainant admits upon information belief Sarita McNeil on or around January 4, 2024 obtained a report from Insta Checkmate, but specifically denies Italis LLC and or Truefinder LLC that falsely associated the crimes and information of the people with plaintiff. Why the fuck are you pulling his background information any damn way, Anonymous? And here it is that she's denying that she even got the shit from them, or that they was associated with her with pulling his background, which is not a crime. That's not a crime to pull somebody's background information, but you're not even pulling the right person. So it's not their motherfucking fault that she pulled the background information on you. But in January the 4th of 2024, like 2 weeks after he filed his lawsuit, which means that where did you get this information from that you were saying on Black Titanic's fucking panel? If you had just pulled his background check in January after he filed the lawsuit. This is why I think they all is just full of shit. I think they was in this shit together, honestly, so that they can get a payday off of one of these big companies. This is just her denying the allegations. I'm trying to get to where she has his here. Truth and defamation. The words spoken by defendant Sarita L. McNeil, aka Anonymous, YouTube subscriber, former YouTube subscriber to Black Titanic, 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 former YouTube subscriber to Black Former YouTube subscriber to Black Titanic's YouTube content creation channel related to implications of the criminal arrest records that plaintiff Maurice Scott, J. Scott Sr., aka Maurice Rasheen Scott, had published on defendant Helen Clark, aka Helen Griffin, DBA Black Titanic YouTube Live on June 19, 2023, as alleged in the complaint were true. Defendant Sarita L. McNeil was informed by her intelligence connections Sweet essence. Sweet essence. I did not see this in here. Defendant Sarita L. McNeil was informed by her intelligence connection. Y'all remember her intelligence connections? Dr. Brown, LB, IE, FBI, CIA. Miss Bridget J. Maybe one of her personalities thinks she got a case. I don't know. That plaintiff Maurice Jefferson Scott Sr., aka Maurice Rasheen Scott, recently expunged his criminal arrest records. If he had recently expunged them, then that means your bitch ass wouldn't have been able to get copies of them. You wouldn't have been able to pull it up. So why the hell would he get it expunged after they let him be a lawyer? Wouldn't that mean the expungement would have became first because he wouldn't want them to know about his criminal arrest record? We can't make this shit up, y'all. On January the 4th, 2024, defendant Sarita L. McNeil retrieved a public background report for plaintiff Maurice Jefferson Scott Sr., aka Maurice Rasheen Scott, with InstaCheckmate Inc., and found 29 criminal arrest records located in North Carolina and Virginia that were recently expunged as follows. In 2023, Maurice Jefferson Scott was not 44 years old. That's numero uno. All this is in North Carolina. This is all while the show was on. North Carolina. North Carolina. PBE says she pulled the entire cast and spread it in who's Resolve? Patreon. Then went to BT to lie. She also served herself on the case. Don't you think it's odd for her to appear after 2 years? Karen Humphrey disappears. No, I find it odd that there's no records of this Karen Humphreys on hey Just Jules on social media at all, and she's supposed to be an attorney for over 20 something years. That when she disappeared, you mean Karen Humphreys appeared? Yes, love, Key. Type Flight Intelligence. This month is off her shit. None of these say Maurice Scott, Maurice Jefferson Scott. And who the fuck said he went by Maurice Rasheen Scott? That's what I want to know. How the hell did she get legally records that's expunged? How she pull them up? Because you can't do that. Once they expunge, that means they're not open to no publics or nothing like that. It's almost like it didn't happen. A copy of the January 4, 2004 plaintiff's background report is incorporated by reference and attached herein as Exhibit A. Alabama courts have held it is well established that truth is an absolute defense against defamation claim. Look at this shit. Wherefore, having fully answered defendant Sarita L. McNeil, aka Anonymous, YouTube subscriber, former to Black Titanic's YouTube content creation channel. Now they all try to disassociate themselves from each other. Why the fuck would you even be putting former? What about Tootsie? Is Tootsie current or former? Because what would even be the need for you to put all this shit in here? We don't give a fuck who you are. We know that you a damn lunatic. A damn psychopath. A lot of people know it. Request that the plaintiff's second amended complaint be dismissed, that plaintiff take nothing thereby, and that defendant Sarita L. McNeil, aka Anonymous. Oh, look at all this. Former, you gotta put. Are you still subscribed to Here for Hot Tea? Be awarded the costs and expenses incurred herein, including reasonable attorney fees, and for such other and further relief as the court may deem just in the premises. Now, are you supposed to be asking for reasonable attorney fees or any fucking attorney fees, seeming that you don't have a damn attorney? You said pro se. You're not even supposed to be mentioning attorney, motherfucker. You're suspended. You are suspended. Remember they took said license or ripped this shit off the walls? And you had to return it to the OCDC? That now it lays underneath the damn secretary at the OCDC's desk? With grease stains from fried chicken? Ma'am? Free speech. You can't do free speech if you damn disparaging somebody's fucking name. She keep putting this part in here. Unclean hands. The plaintiff is not entitled to equitable relief in as much as plaintiff has been guilty of inequitable conduct and has failed to come into equity with clean hands. In that plaintiff did the following. Plaintiff was added as a defendant in a pending federal case of McNeil. Bitch. Love Key, I that's what I think too. That's what I think they all doing. But I already put it in for her, especially for Sarita. Hey, Miss Arthrina, I put in there that in my request for her stuff, that whatever punishment she get does not include the litigating factors of her using mental health as a way to elude fucking consequences. I put that already in my request. And whether it's in there or not, just in my opinion, they can't give her this. She's going to lose that license, in my opinion. She's going to lose that license because they already let her get out of the last case with those same mitigating circumstances, and it didn't work. The reason for those circumstances is, you know, for if they give you a pass and stuff for mental health, you was having a breakdown or something like that, that's for you to be rehabilitated and and to move forward in a positive direction. She wasn't even off of probation, and she had 11 complaints on her. 11 complaints on her, and she wasn't even off of probation for her last violations. So what that means now, like they put in that complaint, that she is a fucking danger to society. She's a danger to the public. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So she can't use that no more. Let me go to her. Let me go to this really quick. I want to see if it's an update on her case, because it's February now. She should be getting ready to go to court. I might have to call the OCDC tomorrow. PBE hugged up with her grandbaby. Y'all see her little cute grandbaby? They her and Bailey is cousins. Yeah, it's still not any docket entries here. Oh yeah. Wall license received from respondent and placed in a bin in clerk's office. Yeah, so it's no updates on the case as of now. I wonder what's going on. Like again, they on her head because she is still going rogue. Still going rogue. And y'all see the attorneys in the other case had already reported this, that, you know, what she was on that bullshit too, when they reported to the judge that she didn't report. And the judge last week just filed a thing that she has to, I'll pull that up 1 second. In the Missouri case. This is for the Missouri case. Wait, let me finish reading what she talking about on here. Don't let me forget to pull up what she got to do in the Missouri case. So these are reasons why she said that his hands are not clean. Plaintiff, as a result of some of them, are as follows. Violated defendant Sarita L. McNeil, aka Anonymous's free speech, which we all know only government agencies. Hey, PBE, only government agencies can violate your free speech. Okay. And freedom of assembly on defendant Helen Clark, aka Helen Griffin, YouTube live posted on June 19th regarding plaintiff criminal arrest, i.e. 29 criminal arrest records on North Carolina and Virginia that was true at the time of publication. How? If his motherfucking name ain't Rasheen? But again, all she's doing here is proving that she did defame his damn character. Because where are you going to find that his AKA is Maurice Rasheen Scott? Where do you have it that he referred to himself as Maurice Rasheen Scott? B, invasion of privacy claim, public disclosure of private facts and false light of Sarita L. McNeil, aka Anonymous, in that the plaintiff is one of the ringleaders and co-conspirators to dox harass, and threaten the defendant from January 10th, 2023 to present after publishing Funky Dineva Reviewer Awards for Love and Marriage Huntsville YouTube reviewers on his January 10th, 2023 Instagram Live. Now, how the fuck did that dox you? You're not a content creator, so you wasn't involved in any of the, you wasn't a recipient. You wasn't even discussed. C, cyber harassment pursuant to USC, which she presents no proof of. No police reports, none of this. D, conspiracy with other YouTube content creators to dox, harass, and threaten defendant pursuant to Rule 18 USC. 2, plaintiff filed this First Amendment complaint with the court on February 26, 2024, and did not provide service to defendants. On March 10, 2024, defendant Sarita L. McNeil learned about said complaint via a YouTube publication by Trending at Some Point. On March 10th, 2024, defendant Sarita L. McNeil emailed plaintiff Maurice J. Scott, aka Maurice Rasheen Scott, to have him email and mail a copy of said complaint filed on February 26, 2024. Plaintiff refused to give service to defendant by any means. On March 15, 2024, defendant Sarita L. McNeil called the Madison County clerk, Madison County of Alabama City Circuit Court clerk, to have a copy of said complaint sent to her. On March 18, 2024, plaintiff mailed by certified mail receipt number a copy of the first amended complaint filed on February 26, 2024, and request for defendant contact information upon filed on March 11, 2024. Defendant Sarita L. McNeil received a copy sent by Madison County, Alabama Circuit Court first class mailing of plaintiff's first amended complaint filed February 26, 2024 on or about March 21st, 2024. Defendant Sarita L. McNeil believes plaintiff has violated constitutional due process provisions, both federally and under Alabama law, and local court rules for service of his filed pleadings to pro se defendants in this case. Wherefore, having fully answered Sarita L. McNeil, aka Anonymous, request that the plaintiff's second amended complaint be dismissed, that plaintiff take nothing thereby, and that defendant Sarita McNeil, aka, be awarded the costs and expenses. So, but you added yourself to the lawsuit. And Trending at Some Point didn't first report on this. Here for High Tea, I remember her reporting on this and saying that Maurice was trying to sue y'all. And actually, Here for High Tea, when she was at, was it the Mimosas with Melody? It was at the Mimosas with Melody where Hill Harper was at, and she was outside talking, live reporting on the black carpet. She said that she was given a little tea, and that Anonymous, that Maurice was trying to get Anonymous to accept the lawsuit without him having to serve her. And when was that? That was like in late March of that year. Right? because this is the GoFundMe had already been started by this time. And everybody was already talking about who was all on the lawsuit with Maurice. They came out about the lawsuit in February or late January. I think it was early February though. Because the GoFundMe was started March 3rd, March 4th. So you knew about it before this, ma'am. And again, here for hot tea was never served. So thank you, little Lucky. I be having flashbacks. I have a bad memory. I have a bad memory until you lie to me. I might not remember the situation at all, but I remember if you try to tell me something that's different from the first time you told me, that's how I'll be like, wait a minute. Now I remember that. And now I remember that ain't what the fuck you told me the first time. That's how I always catch True T them in their lives. In their lives or whatever. Because that's always changing. It's always changing. Who moved to another city? Anonymous? Let's talk about that, Marcella, because let me go to now y'all see where she had Maurice's name on here. But where she had Maurice, his name on here, Jefferson, she don't have no criminal records on here. No criminal records is on here. Hey, did him. Yeah, no records for him. Just his, I guess his resume. And then here it has Rasheen. So their attorneys is going to be able to rip this and damn too. Like, bitch, we the reason this is for these records are true for Maurice Rasheen Scott. Who the fuck said he was Maurice Jefferson Scott? But I digress. Where is it at? Wait a minute, let me go here. I'm trying to see what document it was on. Was it on this one? And we read this one already, but I don't think I read the part. Here. Right here. On the postmark date. It says filed in office. Oh, Marcella, they already been set up trending. I hope she know. I know she don't fuck with us or whatnot, but I hope she know that that's what they was doing. They was also sending her docued up court documents that thank God she was smart enough to stop reading. Yeah. That's what they do. They get with people on YouTube that got a little change or got something, you know, to you a motherfucker might sue them because they might have a couple dollars, a few dollars, you know, or whatnot. And then they try to pump her with that fake information. This is just my opinion. You know, again, y'all, because y'all see they constantly try to blame the shit on us. We're like, the trending. Like, what the fuck you talking about? Like, and then they got her channel demonetized. Exactly, astute. They got her channel demonetized and try to blame it on us. Like, what the fuck are y'all talking about? Like, Trending ain't thinking about our asses, and we ain't thinking about her ass either. So what the fuck? Like we're like, what? Like, you ain't even know her fucking channel was demonetized. We know the shit was monetized or damn demonetized shit, because we don't give a fuck. Like, what the fuck? So what, like, again, every accusation is a damn confession. Everything that they do, they try to pit that shit off on us. That's how we know your games, child. Quit lying. You're lying. You're lying. Because why are you even bringing that up? Because they want to try to turn people against us, because they know that they did that shit to that damn girl. And then they did it when she said she wasn't reading them court documents unless she pulled them up her damn self. And you see, she didn't read that. She didn't read... She didn't even read nothing else about them cases, that case no more. She didn't read nothing else about that case. They pumped her to read that bullshit and was giving her the shit instead of giving her the shit that was on the fucking website. They try to use her. Because why are y'all using her? Why you didn't put the shit on your own fucking channel? Because they wanted Maurice to come after her ass. Because the trending appears that she have a little, a little something to lose. So that's what it was, like I said. But I think she had been scammed by somebody else on YouTube, which was probably one of them. And she said, oh hell no, not again. Not again. Don't let my smile fool your ass. I'm not no damn dummy. Yep. That's what they try to do. They try to set people up. I told y'all too. Onnn used to do that shit too. She used to always tell us like, oh, we got these I got these stories for us to right, astute, for us to talk about, and this and that. Like, I'm gonna give you this story about Kimmy and Maurice. I'm gonna give you this story about Stormy. I'm gonna give this person like, and she always used to try to divvy out those stories to us, and we used to be thinking like, well, like, no, that's your tea. You drop it. That's your tea. Luckily we did, but we wasn't even thinking that she was trying to set us up. Miss Gloria Lacey, get 50 on the line. We need 50 on the line, okay? When we finish with this shit, we calling Tubi or somebody. This shit gonna be a movie, y'all. Cause y'all know I know a couple of the Tubi people too. We gonna get some shit in motion, okay? We got to get some of this shit in motion because this shit is being documented, okay? But let me look at this because yeah, it's something about these mofos. They own some bullshit. Let me go here. Wait, where the story at? 1 second. Let me share this. Shout out to Caramel Rail for sending me this story. But yes, look at this. All about the tea on Instagram. A Greenville, North Carolina TikToker named Toriano Author aka Amoy. Wait a minute, this the same motherfucking person? TikToker arrested on cyber stalking charges for harassing women for almost a year. Y'all see that shit? A Greenville, North Carolina TikToker named Toriano Author, aka Amoy, has been charged with cyber stalking after court records allege he harassed a woman online for months. Authorities say the incident dates back to March 2024. That's when they started all that shit too, with these lawsuits and stuff. This when they started the GoFundMe and everything, March 2024. And this person is in North Carolina. Do they know Rasheen? Do they know Rasheen, Maurice Rasheen Scott? Authorities say the incident date back to March 2024, though the arrest didn't happen until earlier, to nearly a year later. Let me look this person up. Ugly ass. Viral train wreck. Toriano Author allegedly threatens women at Greenville Beauty World. TikToker Toriana Author, known as Amoy Lee, goes viral after allegedly threatening to blow a woman's head off outside Beauty World in Greenville, all while rocking a busted wig and bad attitude. Damn, what kind of news source is this? Child. Ooh. I'm so damn scared. Let me get this picture down here so I can just read the language. Okay, because baby, I mean the lace is melted though. I gotta give her that. Word down at the hobo office. What's the hobo office? Is that a North Carolina man who looks like a creature from Conyers, straight out of T.S. Madison's basement. What the fuck? Is going viral on TikTok after a video shows him dressed like a woman, rocking a cricket crusty lace front, allegedly threatening women at Beauty World in Greenville, North Carolina. From crusty lace fronts to unhinged TikTok rants, Toriana stays in the mix for all the wrong reasons. The man, identified as 41-year-old, they get a full name, is said to be a known TikTok train wreck who can't stay out of mess. While it's unclear what Toriana identifies as these days, the streets say he used to go by Sincere. But now answers to Amoy, a name he uses to identify as a female. But male or female, one thing's for sure. Toriana's crusty wig and crustier attitude ain't it. In TikTok videos, Toriano is seen arguing with a woman in the background. He can be heard saying, "This ain't what you want. I'm still a man, bitch. I'll fuck your old ass up, you ugly ass bitch," after telling the woman her head would be splattered like meat. It looked like some, and they said this motherfucker 41. It looked like somebody been beating his ass for 41 motherfucking days and 41 nights. Or all his life, per Sophia from The Color Purple. Thank you, Miss Ann Green, for the $10 cash app. Let me go to it, baby. Thank you. Yes to the grass. Let me give you the money song. Get up in here.
Check money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the
Ooh. This how somebody's hands look too that's pregnant. Big like this. Yeah. Ooh. Ja. Once he got to his vehicle, Toriano, who is believed to have grabbed a pow, shouted at the woman, "Girl, I will blow your mother head off. You don't want none of me." What? In another wild threat allegedly directed at the woman, he continued, "I will blow your head off out here. You better carry your old ass in that building, cause I'll beat your ass out here, bitch." Some TikTok users say the incident was reported to Greenville Police Department, but as of now, Toriana has not been arrested or charged for that threat. The incident reportedly happened on September 18th. This is a nice little outfit. This is an ugly motherfucker. I'm sorry, Toriano, but Marcella, you ain't shit. Oh my God. He wearing this little dress though. Tits look like that too. Little flat chest. Mm-hmm. I used to have a furniture set like this in my son's boom boom room in the basement. He had a little living area with a little TV and stuff. Is that it? Toriano is my new neighbor. Him and a guy who has dreads moved in, and now all I can hear is screaming, loud music, and a whiny ass dog. I pray he gets kicked out. He never lets the dog out to use the bathroom. These motherfuckers is crazy. She said, this person said him and a guy who has dreads. Do you know that's the same motherfucker? Did he have dreads in the other picture? Did he have dreads in this picture? These people gonna get enough of doing all this shit online. Okay? The chickens is coming home to roost, Bobby Boucher. And you're gonna lose all your foosball games. Somebody said just ugly. Tired of them she's always trying to argue with women. Go argue with your daddy. Damn, not even a mama. I'm gonna need my stalker to look a little better if you about to bother me. Exactly. Child, but we can't control how they look. They usually the ones that be damn facially challenged. These be the ones that be stalking people. They ain't got no choice, I guess, but to stalk a damn up. Other than that, won't nobody deal with them. Ugly as hell, can't be they self because they know won't nobody deal with them. Looking at their own damn face. Not all about the trees. They said a more looks like Arsenio Hall. They do look like Arsenio Hall. Remember in what was that? Coming to America? Remember when he was playing that girl and he was like, I am going to eat you alive. And he ate that cherry. When him and Hakeem went to that bar. Y'all remember? When he was like, I am going to eat you alive. And your friend too. Not a little funky, child. Yes. Yes. This is a mess. This is a mess. These people committing these cyber crimes. I don't know when they gonna learn. Not Joanna, man, child. I don't know when they gonna learn. The people, they taking these crimes very serious these days. Okay? I wish they would leave me alone. Like, it's unwanted attention. Okay? I'm not gonna give you any attention. I'm not gonna give them any attention. Hey, sir, we'll go off. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Him and Kenyatta, aka Here for Hot Tea, be twinning. Is that her cousin? Day, you hoe. Is that your cousin? In her words, you hoe. Is that your cousin? I'm just kidding, child.
Check. Money. All I really wanna see is the. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is the.
Y'all ain't shit. Y'all ain't shit. And that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I wonder, is that loving? Not Trisha, your boing, boing, boing. That motherfucker do kind of look like Sammy Davis Jr. Child. Sammy D. Yes. They will learn. They will learn. They will learn. Sooner or damn later. How is you cool? How is you cool? How is you cool? I got that special request. Special request. Okay? How is you cool? Is you cool? Is you cool? Have y'all been seeing one more thing before we get up out of here? Have y'all been seeing that stuff with Anton Daniels and Corey Holcomb and now Joe Budden? All three of them pieces of shit. Corey Holcomb, I didn't know he was that reckless. I did not know he was that damn reckless. If you don't pay attention to people and they be doing all type of shit, you be wondering. I used to be hearing his name in the news sometime, but I never really paid attention. I did not know he was that ignorant. Hey, Miss Mary, why you in here? Miss Mary in here? I ain't see her. Yes. Yeah, and they keep on trying to talk about some he mushed her. He didn't mush her. He punched her. He socked her. Mushing somebody is doing this. But it don't even fucking matter. He put his hands on her. For what? And now I don't give a fuck what she was saying. Y'all talking shit. That don't give you the right to put your fucking hands on. But I told y'all, that's why I don't argue with men in person. Only argue with them over the phone. Yeah. I like up over that phone in person. I can see your halo. Period. Okay, because I don't want to. Too close. You might do something. Mm-hmm. He ain't no man at all. Not no less than did him. He ain't no man at all. In my opinion, Corey Holcomb, his internet history needs to be investigated. Did you hear what he said about a 5-year-old little girl? No, they like the people that was talking about it again, try to low-key make excuses for him. Like, oh, it's just dark humor. It's just a dark side of comedians. And they say, stuff for shock. No, fuck all that shit. Yeah, you're going to be shocked right into cancellation. Which he should have already been canceled. Everybody keep trying to, a lot of these guys are trying to make excuses for him about him mushing a lady because she was saying she wished he would have died in some accident or something. Who gives a damn what she said? He didn't die in the accident. And then he gonna come after Joe Buttons when Joe Buttons again has accusation of being a damn woman beater as well. So neither one of y'all got room to talk about each other. Will you comparing the amount of times you've been accused and the times that they've been accused, and you on damn video? And if you would do that to somebody that you don't have no relationship with, I think that's worse. That's worse because that means you definitely do that shit to somebody that you familiar with if they piss you off. Ricky Smiley said this morning, everybody makes mistakes. Kick rocks, Ricky. Oh, not Ricky Smiley. Oh my God. Now I gotta stop fucking with Ricky Smiley. That's not a fucking mistake. And he lied about it. He lied about it. And that's not the first accusation of him putting his hands on some damn woman. Who the hell is Mo? Yeah. He lied about it. He said he didn't hit her. And he said that she hit him first. Because both of them got restraining orders on each other. And she said that video, she didn't get that video until like a couple of days or something after they had their trial. And I guess since she didn't have no proof of him hitting her, the judge, sided with him or whatever, but let both of them get restraining orders on each other. So then he went off on TMZ. Yeah, I'm losing gigs. Bitch, because you hit a fucking woman on, it's somebody recorded the shit. Just like you was talking about Joe Budden and what the women was saying about him sitting on their chest or their stomach to make them have an AB and lose the baby. Your shit was actually on fucking camera, on footage. And you talking about that? So yeah, TMZ talking about your shit. That's on fucking camera. Like, it's not a fucking mistake. If you can't even take accountability for it, it wasn't a mistake. You don't think you did shit wrong. If you can't take accountability for it, like, hell yeah, I hit her ass. She was talking shit. I hit her ass. I know I shouldn't have, but I did. Whatever my consequence is gonna be, that's what the fuck is gonna be. I'm gonna do my best not to do that shit no fucking more, or let nobody bring me out my square to where I feel like I gotta put my fucking hands on them, especially if they're a motherfucking woman. I respect that. I respect that more than him denying the shit. Then now he's trying to blame it on everybody that talk about the shit, when most of the people that's talking about it is not even talking bad about him. They basically trying to blame the shit on the fucking lady. But he just want to go in, and they not saying that he was right completely. Then he just going in on them like a fucking idiot. And then he went off on the lady D or whatever that's on his show because she wouldn't hold the shirt up. Because you know him and Anton Daniels was into it first. So Anton Daniels was fucking with him, and then he came back and put up a picture of his daughter and his wife and dogged the fuck out of their asses. Then proceeded to make a fucking shirt with Anton when he called him tampon, because he ain't shit either, and his wife and daughter as primates, like little monkeys. And the shirt say, "Leave my family alone," or "Leave my family out of this," or something like that. Then he wanted the lady D to hold the shirt up because he couldn't hold it with the mic and the shirt. Yes, the fuck you can, and you gonna have to. And D was like, "Nah, that's all you. That's all you." So he like, "Oh, you ain't motherfuckers want to fuck with you when you on some good shit. Hey, Deshonda, but when you in some shit, they don't want to fuck with you." Blah 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 blah. She like, "What? What are you talking about?" Like, what she was saying didn't even make sense to me. But then he was like, "We gonna go with the rap." So the other guy, I forgot his name, he was like, "Yeah, we gonna do the rap." So they went to commercial and they came back for the rap. So they came back to rap. He like, because he was like, "Yeah, I'll get somebody to hold it up." Basically, like, "Bitch, you fired." Basically, that's what he was telling. Like, "Thank you for your services, because I'm gonna get somebody else to come and hold a fucking shirt up when I say hold a motherfucking shirt up." So he like, "If you don't want to do it, get another bitch to do it. If you don't want to do it, get another bitch to do it. If you don't want to do it, get another bitch to do it." Like, that was his rap. Meaning, if this bitch D don't want to do it, get another bitch to do it. And then people got the nerve to be talking about he disrespected D. They said D been on this show with this motherfucker for 16 years. And he disrespected D. No, he been disrespecting D. These nuts, these bitches, these women, these black women. He been doing all the damn disrespect to these people. And D still been sitting her ass there. And I'm like, he tried to set her the fuck up. Because why you ain't ask that guy to hold the shirt up? Since D wouldn't hold it up, why you ain't dare ask him to hold that shit up? Because you wanted D to take some of that slack off your ass. Because her, as a Mexican woman, or Latino or whatever the fuck she is, Hispanic, if she hauled that fucking shirt up, people are going to rip her to fucking shreds. With 2 black women on there that's being got monkey faces on their asses. Y'all know I gotta give it to you.
How is you cool? How is you cool? How is you cool?
How is you cool? D said, not on my motherfucking watch. But again, I ain't really got too much respect for her because you was up there when he called his daughter out. What? He called his daughter a bitch? They say he called his own fucking daughter a bitch on that motherfucking show. And dogged his son out. So I'm happy that he is
Child. Belt to ass. Belt to BTA. Can I get a to ass? Belt to ass. Okay? BTA.
He needed. He needed. I am so sick of these bum ass men coming on this internet being so abusive to black women, which is primarily their fucking audience. I'm pissed at the black women for continuously fucking with these people and taking that shit. And Sheba used to have her antennas over there with Anton Daniels. So in my opinion, her little techniques, how she talked to them people over there like they ain't shit, the dumbest motherfuckers in captivity. Like they ain't got no damn sense. She got that shit from him. She got that technique from him. Because they clearly see that a lot of black women are traumatized. And they take advantage of that. And for whatever reason, they try to please people. I'm saying they because I'm not one of those type. And they know a lot of black women are pleasers. And they take advantage of that and treat them any kind of way. And they try to prove themselves to these people. When these people are bums, they really not even worth your time. When you get out of your way of realizing that you don't have to prove anything to a person that is a bum, that's ignorant, that's when you gonna be better off and not let that person use you. Because people like Anton Daniels, Corey Holcomb, even Joe Budden, they shouldn't have one woman in their fucking audience. Not one. But here they are with millions. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Yep. You teach people how to treat you. That's why when motherfuckers do the shit with me, if you bring the shit public, we can bring the shit public. I'm gonna get your ass, cuss your ass out, because you're not about to talk to me any kind of motherfucking way. And if I feel like we have a rapport, I'll talk to you behind the scenes. But if you bring the shit in the front of the scenes, we can talk about the shit in front of the scenes. If I even fucking want to. Because the way this shit is now, I don't have anything to talk to these people about. Only person I need to talk to is the judge and law enforcement, the police. Because you will leave me alone. Because one thing that you cannot do, and that's where you are, that's where y'all got shit fucked up at, and why you keep on failing that shit, is because you're trying to make me pay for something that I did not do. And that's something you can't do. You can't make me pay for something that I did not do. When you get that through that big ass dome, then your world will probably be a better damn place. When you get unfixated off of me and off that notion, you all will probably be in a better place. Y'all might be locked up and shit like that when all this shit come down the pipeline, but that still might be a better place. That way you ain't got to pay no damn bills. You'll be paying a debt to society, but you won't have to pay any bills, so you ain't got to be online begging no more. Yeah, Miss Gloria. Y'all, Miss Mary Cat Williams exposed a lot of this shit. Period. Tay, I'm a police type chick. I pay too much in taxes to let bad. Period. I pay taxes. I want to put my tax damn dollars to work. I don't have to take this motherfuckers harassing me and all this type of shit. Want to file lawsuits and stuff like you cute. Girl, please. Young man, leave it alone. Yeah, they don't want to believe fat meat is greasy. So, like, it's just gonna have to be what it's gonna be. Like, you're not gonna get any attention out of me. You're not gonna get any reactions out of me. I'm just stacking my fucking evidence, documenting my fucking journey. Like I said, I miss y'all too, but when you come on, they try to rewrite everything you fucking say and all that type of shit. I ain't got time for all that shit. We gonna see what's in the court documents. That's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do. See what lands where. Yeah, they do need to get a job and leave people alone, or find another job, or do their job on YouTube and leave people the fuck alone. The main course is to leave people the fuck alone. But again, it looks like nobody will do that until you get law enforcement to intervene. So I might come on to let y'all see Bailey tomorrow, but I don't know. I might be soaking her up and pinching on her and stuff like that, because me and Bailey got a long talk tomorrow, because I want to see. Her mama sent me a picture with Bailey sticking her tongue out. I want to know from her. I'm going to the source. Hey, Shay Peasy. Yeah, raggedy bitches. Oh, love, Key, you child. But yes, yeah, I want to see if they told her to lick her tongue out, or did she do that? Was it an accident? Like, what was the case with this tongue licking out? Because it's supposed to be my time Sunday. So I don't trust that side of the family. Okay. So we're gonna have to have a strong talk with Bailey tomorrow. Y'all want her involved in the intervention? Y'all want to get involved in the intervention? My back is gonna find a damn life and move on and leave my tail alone. Please tell them to leave Coyote tail alone. They ain't listening. But I need to read this book. I'm gonna get into this book, and we're gonna have to see. And if y'all want to have a panel, we're gonna have to have a panel, because I want to see what this girl is talking about in this book. I really do. I want to see it. I'm talking about the R. Kelly girl. So, Oh yeah, the Missouri case. That's gonna be a dumb. Oh, the Missouri case. Okay, there we go. Okay, this was this. I'm talking about who the hell is Mo? Don't forget the Mo case. Okay, let me show y'all that because I did have a little update on that because the judge put some shit out just last week. Was it last week? Let's see. Okay, here we go. I hope she was being obedient because she ain't want no problems with nobody trying to put their hands on her. Because she knows she don't want her grandma locked up either. Okay. And then I want to know who told her to lick her tongue out at me. So this is from the Missouri case, y'all. So y'all see Sarita snatch your license, McNeil. So this is an order to show cause just put in last week. This case is before the court on review on the file. The record lacks sufficient proof of proper service of summons and the complaint upon defendant Sierra L. Moore as required by the federal rules of civil procedure. But again, y'all see the judge telling her, you ain't submitted no proof that you done served this person, but she in the other case talking about how Maurice ain't served her. Every accusation is a damn confession. On April 22nd, 2025, plaintiff filed an amended complaint and a motion to join 10 additional defendants, including Ms. Moore, documents 112, 116. Plaintiff then filed a proposed summons for Ms. Moore at document 117, with the proposed summons for the other additional defendants attached as exhibits document 117. Though plaintiff filed the executed summons for the 9 other defendants she sought to join at the time. See document 184, 186, 187, 197, 198, 199, 200, 201, 203. She has not filed an executed summons for Ms. Moore. The time for plaintiff to effectively service under federal rule of civil procedures 4M passed on July 21st, 2025, 90 days after she filed the amended complaint. Accordingly, it is hereby ordered that within 14 days of this order, plaintiff shall show cause why her claim against Sierra L. Moore y'all see how she, because this is a person she said is supposed to be Brownie. But y'all see how she had this person with her same exact initials? And then how she put her last name as Moore. Even the fake person that she had Didum name under was Moore too, to try to act like they had some type of relation, like they related. Because they, for one, they trying to push this family shit, but they trying to act like they related because people say they sound alike too. Or related to Wanda them in some type of way. We don't know. But just ridiculous, right? But these are her initials. Brownie, she might have a thing for you. Child. Should be dismissed without prejudice under federal rule of civil procedures 4M for failure to effectively timely service a process upon her. Failure to timely comply with this order will result in dismissal of plaintiff's claim against Ms. Moore without prejudice and without further notice. Dated on this 4th day of February, and this is the judge's signature. So she has until, I think the judge said the 18th of this month to show cause why this person, why she didn't shouldn't be dismissed because she didn't service them properly. Right, Brownie, did them because they are related. Not you gonna call GPS grandbaby protective services on me. I'm not trying to mess with my baby. They try to mess with me. They try to keep that child from me. It's weird seeing the R. Kelly girl now as an adult because I actually saw the video when I was in college. They used to sell it. Yes. And you like escape like public scrutiny a lot, like for all this time. And now you coming out. I want to see what she got in that book. I gotta see what she got in that book. I want to see where her head at. What's going on? I want to see what's going on in that book. Every accusation is a confession. Yep. Yep. The name of the book is Who's Watching Shorty? Let me is my Amazon up here? It's in one of these damn tabs. There's the link to the book. So get that together, and then we're gonna do a live for Beyond the Gates too, just to talk crap, because Beyond the Gates been so good. It's been so good, y'all. Y'all should be watching it. They in season 2 now. Season 1 had 100 episodes, was it? No, 200 episodes. But they only like 30-some minutes on Paramount Plus, so y'all can catch up. Y'all can binge it and catch up maybe in 2 weeks if that's all you watch. But I've been watching Love After Lockup too. This stuff seems too fake on there. It seems too fake. Everybody's storyline on there seems fake. Except the one girl that says she's 35 that looked like she's 53. Actually, she looks older than 53. The one that got like the kids that said she got the BBL or whatever, and the boyfriend is in jail, and her mama just threw that water on the boyfriend mama or the husband mama because they said they got married by mail. Yeah, it just all seems so fake. Monique, get your damn snuffleupagus looking ass off that damn TV and go on about your damn business. Up about this damn man up here looking like a damn beetle. He looks like a drunk ass beetle. Titus. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. We'll see what we're gonna talk about because y'all want to talk about it. We'll talk about it. Okay. So I just got to get myself together because, like I said, it'd be so cold and I don't be feeling like coming on with the bullshit because I don't be want to be bothered with these people. Okay. But I love y'all and miss y'all. Thank y'all for the super chat and cash apps. I love y'all and I'm going to see y'all another day. Okay. I ain't going to make no promises, but I'm going to see y'all. All right. Thank y'all so much for coming on in. And
Gotcha, you bitches.